best. The contrast. That's a great expectation versus reality. Hacktoberfest! Is it the back button? It's legit the back button. Turbo Lakes doesn't like the back button. I don't care. Oh, okay. It passed. All the checks passed. Yes. Yes. I figured it out. We'll say all name. I like it. So I'm gonna refresh this and I'm gonna say, hey, I'm attending Strange Loop. Magnifique. I love it. The only thing is, this is a terrible show page.
Yeah, there's a lag.
Whoever's throwing down a whole bunch of items and causing the lag, quit it. I will come find you with my delete key. Hi, Ruby. Did you show up just for cat attention time? No. That's the cutest thing in the world. Oh. You are someone who understood the assignment, Ruby. You are someone who understood the assignment. You showed up and you were like, cat attention, cat kisses, cat kisses. That was when Rachel decided, oh, I know that shoulder head boop. The shoulder head boop. Medium. Oh, my heart. Oh, you're so cute. What do I do when you're so cute? I found you.
Oh, I have lost audio somehow.
I had my microphone muted.
Oh, okay. I thought it was
Streamer
me.
Classic. Started off right. Hello, everybody. I have a special guest with me today. It's Travis Dockter, organizer of Blastoff Rails.
Hello.
Also, hi, Hidakiri Badasai. Hi, Pierito. And hello, Stony Eagle. Technically, it's not 2 a.m. It's midnight UTC. All right. So today, we are playing Blastoff Rails, the game. Can you tell us about the game? Why does it exist?
Yeah, so basically I am organizing a conference in Albuquerque, New Mexico, and I wanted there to be some sort of digital experience outside of the conference that people could interact with before. And also it's just like kind of a cool artifact of the conference as well, because this game is based on the conference and has like real places and real people in it. So yeah, I just kind of, I'm a huge fan of the Pokemon RPG games from the 90s. And I randomly had the idea one day to make a web developer, specifically like Ruby and Rails developer version of those games. And I needed something for the conference. So I was like, oh, I'm going to make it about the conference.
I love it. Fun idea. All right, and so we've got Professor Pine here. Hello there, my name is Professor Pine, and I am a Rails enthusiast like yourself. Welcome to Albuquerque, which is, of course, the location of the conference.
Exactly, yes.
The Albuquerque Museum is actually a really cool idea.
Yeah. So that's our venue, and if you come to the conference, you also get, of course, free access to the museum, so you can walk around and see all the ton of art and artifacts and stuff in there. So kind of a twofer conference and museum experience.
Very fun. Also, hi, Jeremy. All right, so Professor Pine says you're here for Blastoff Rails, the conference that's literally out of this world. To board the rocket, you'll need to earn boarding passes from 4 elite devs. But first, let's pick an avatar for you. The most important part of any game.
This was a super hard part, actually, is the little characters, because I am not an artist. My girlfriend did some custom art for these characters, but it's surprisingly hard to make what is it, 16 pixels look like a human.
Uh-huh.
So yeah, there's limited from what we could find online.
I like
In
them. I picked the one with the little cat ears. I like
yeah,
that.
yeah,
There's a surprising amount of detail in those.
yeah, yeah. They look pretty cool.
All right, Professor Pine says every Rails dev needs a trusty gem. Choose your first gem. I'm going to run a poll, so this is going to be in the Twitch chat. I don't know how to do joint polls in Twitch and YouTube. I'm sorry about that. But I'm going to let everybody pick what my first gem is. Let's see. So we're going to pick between RSpec, Bullet, and Breakman. I like the kind of like, let's see, and I'll let people vote for some additional channel points. There we go. And Stony Eagle says, can you raise your volume a little bit? Yes, I can. Better? Let's see. Okay, so Jeremy Smithco says, hey, hey. Hi, Jeremy. Stony Eagle says, ever considered becoming an actor, ma'am? And this is actually my second appearance in a video game. The first one was with One Dreamer, where I was voice acting. So that was fun. So yeah, I would say that is a yes. So how did you pick the gems that would be here? I do feel like they're very like good starter gems.
Yeah, I was just trying to pick common ones that people would know, but I also wanted to like pick like common ones for the categories, because you know, like in Pokemon you have the like Pokemon type and you start off with like water, fire, or plant, right? So I wanted that kind of like, what are the types of gyms? So what I came up with is testing performance and security, and I just tried to pick the like possibly the ones that would be well known, so people are familiar with them. So yeah, that's what we came up with. I like them. I like the starting gyms you have there.
I think it's a good choice. My first playthrough, I definitely went for RSpec, but I can see how the poll's going, and it looks like I'm not going to get RSpec this time. But I'm going to keep you in suspense, and we'll find out in about 10 seconds.
As another aside there, I have this screen as Professor Pine, which obviously is a play on Professor Oak from the original games, but if anybody has connections to Matt's and can ask him if I can put him in the game here, I would love to put like a Professor Matt's as the character that gives you your opening gem here, but I wasn't able to get a hold of him, and it's all real people besides this character. They're all real people in the game, and I talked to every person that's in the game and actually like got their permission to put them in the game. So
I also like that you did that, because I feel like otherwise that would be very awkward if somebody found out they were in the game.
Yeah, I felt like it would be weird to be like, to have people come to you and be like, oh, you're in this game, and you're like, what game?
So you weren't able to get a hold of Matt?
I wanted to warn people.
Okay. Now go explore Albuquerque and earn those boarding passes. Also, the winner was Breakman.
Okay, yeah.
By 100%, actually.
Oh, all right. Some Breakman fans.
Hello. Hang on. So do I hit... Oh, there we go. Confreak Cindy! Even though it isn't on Ruby events, I have definitely been to more conferences than you.
So that one's kind of like, so all the like dialogue of all the people, I tried to make them like specific to the person as well. That was a little bit of an inside joke because of something that happened at Blue Ridge Ruby, actually, because there was like a poll that was like, who's been to the most Ruby conferences? And like, it's probably Cindy, but we were using Ruby events as the like, source of truth for that. So that's kind of an inside joke on that one.
I like that, but also Cindy is now on Ruby events.
Yes. Yeah. She was like, oh, I'm gonna go add all of my conferences so that I definitely have the most.
the next time.
Yeah, exactly.
All right, so here's Attendee Chadwick. Be careful in there. I heard some of them talking about TDD. Wait, so who's this Chadwick?
Chadwick is a coworker of mine.
Oh.
Yeah. He's actually the team lead, so he's kind of my unofficial boss. But yeah, so like there's all real people in here, but you might not know all of them because some of them are just like people that I know, I guess.
Well, after the conference.
Yeah, exactly.
All right, so remote Ruby Chris, if you're looking to move off Heroku Hatchbox, is definitely the way to go. I like that one. I know him mostly from the podcast, so like it's kind of cool to have that little reminder of Hatchbox and everything.
Yeah.
Senior Dev Jason, I discovered a new nightmare today when I broke off the airplane's bathroom lock while inside. Is that a real story?
So that is Jason Charnes, and that is, I assume that's a real thing that happened to him.
Oh, Rugmat redeemed hydrate. I got my coffee today.
All right. Drinking coffee at this hour.
Yeah, I need to make sure I stay awake for the rest of the stream.
Oh man, that's not me. I wouldn't sleep.
Tropical Surdies. If you've never debugged with a Caipirinha in hand, you haven't seen Rails under the sun. Come to Tropical on Rails if you get the chance.
Yeah, I got him with his iconic purple shirt too.
Yes. He's got the iconic purple Tropical on Rails shirt. You've got the iconic orange sweatshirt now.
Yeah.
I will say, I just got back from Tropical on Rails. It was fantastic.
It's on my bucket list.
And the Caipirinhas were fantastic too.
Yeah, I would love to go.
Hotel Clerk. Welcome to Hotel Albuquerque. We hope you enjoy your stay. Oh, okay, so there is like a Nurse Joy character.
Yeah, so yeah, that's something that you kind of have to like figure out on your own, is that these kind of green characters,
aliens,
like Cyclops looking character, are the healers. So they run Bundle Pristine and restore all of your gems.
So they're gonna be at the conference too, right?
Oh, I need to figure out how to do that. Yes. Maybe they'll be running like the Ruby Embassy or something like that.
Oh, that would be cool. That would actually be really cool.
I need to tie that in. That's a great idea.
All right, Speaker Mateos. You don't need engines or new languages. Ruby is all you need. Oh, this is our first fight.
First battle.
Speaker
Code
Mateos,
review.
what's
They're
a
called code reviews instead of battles.
Okay. I think I'm gonna fight. These are both the same values. Do these do something different?
Okay. Yeah, so those values are the like how many times you can use that move. I forget the technical name. Yeah, you can only use the move so many times before you have to go restore your gems.
Okay.
Yeah.
So as somebody who has not played Pokemon before,
okay.
What is the difference between the Warn and the Ignore?
Okay, so yeah. So there's like attack moves, and then there's like stat moves. So like Ignore, I believe, raises your speed, whereas Warn is an attack move.
Got it.
Obviously, like does damage.
I have to fight another one?
What's that?
I have to fight another one.
Oh yeah, he has multiple. Yeah, so most of the devs that you you go
I'm
to
gonna
these
die.
have multiple. Yeah. So, in this case,
Oh, okay. No, wait.
you
Hang
got
on.
lucky because he used a stat move instead of an attack move, so you're able to take him out. But yeah, I think in the real Pokemon games there was actual strategy where you like use certain stat moves in order to win certain battles in certain ways, but I'm one of those people that just spam attack moves.
Got it.
And I didn't like dive really deep into the mechanics in this game, so I don't even know how strategic you could get with stat moves, but yeah, that's the difference.
Makes sense. Also, Exidideo says, "Heyo, chill codes in chat. I've heard of Blastoff Rails. Does the air in this game smell like warm root beer?"
I don't know if I get that reference, but
That's the song Albuquerque.
Oh, yes. Okay. Yeah.
Also, this is my friend
Weird Al.
Exegete. I'm sending him to your conference. Exegete,
Okay.
This is the organizer of Blastoff Rails. Say hi to each other.
Hello. Yep, I need to re-listen to that song a couple times so I'm up on my Weird Al references.
That makes sense.
Disappointing.
Anakin Luke says, "Pokemon Rails, OMG." Yes. Flawless. And Speaker Mateo says, 10 years in and Ruby still brings me joy. That's so, like, this is so sweet. And I feel like Mateos is, like, that sort of person, too.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh,
Uh-oh.
it's me! What? Streamer Rachel says, "I love contributing to open source live on Twitch." Oh, I have to fight myself. Oh, I didn't heal.
I hate to say it, but you didn't heal, so you're gonna lose to yourself right now.
I'm going to kill myself.
Yep. Yeah. This is
Oh,
gonna
and I
be
don't
a
even have a bunch of attack moves.
rough
Wait, hang on.
first meeting with
Hang
yourself.
on. What if I actually win this?
You're gonna have to get really lucky. Like there's like possibility that they use. Ooh.
I did it! I beat my first gem. Hang on.
You beat one. There's
Okay,
more.
wait,
You
hang
also
on.
raised the level. That's nice.
I got a bundle update, and my version is updated to V6.
Mm-hmm.
So this means that, like, my gem has evolved.
Yes.
And now my gem's gonna heal.
What was that?
Now my gem's gonna heal because it evolved?
No.
No? That'd be really convenient right now.
It would.
Otherwise, I'm gonna kill myself.
Yeah. Very good chance.
Hang on, I sent out a flaky test. It missed.
You're
It
getting
missed. It missed.
really lucky right now.
Hang on. No, Brakeman crashed.
You made it way further than I thought you were going to.
Especially without healing. Exidideo says, "Hello, I'm Jack. I'll be the giant at your conference. Pleasure to meet you."
Awesome. Giants, welcome.
Alright, Stony Eagle says, "Tune in for your weekly addiction to gems." And Jeremy Smithco says, "Oh, Ricky move. Yeah, I probably should have healed.
Gotta heal.
You look a little tired. Let me run Bundle Pristine. I like that my gems are being healed by Bundle Pristine. That's very nice.
Yeah.
Your
So
gems are fully restored.
whenever you die and you go back, you're always taken back to the hotel, but you're automatically healed at that time. So you don't have to talk to them again, unless you're healing in between matches, code reviews.
Do I have pigtails?
You might.
I do like that I jump back to the heal, because otherwise I wouldn't have known to look for the little Cyclops guy.
Yeah. Unfortunately, we don't all get to choose what we look like in the characters. It's
No,
just
that's fair.
the best one I can find in the moment.
Okay. Jeremy Smithco says, "To be frank, I never got that far in the game. Now I'm learning." Yeah, all sorts of strategies. I think I got a little bit lucky, though. And Exodeo's like, "Bundle update. Conservative. It's the only way to go."
Ooh. Yeah.
That's the one. Okay, so I am looking for a code review from myself. What will Brakeman do? I'm gonna fight. I'm gonna fight hard.
Spam those attack moves.
You know what? I feel like last time I spent too much time with these ignores. And maybe
That was
that's
really
why I was
funny.
able to dodge so many.
Yeah.
I'm gonna hit a bunch.
That's really funny because he's using, or you are using against yourself, the timeout is using a move that lowers your speed, and you keep using the move that increases your speed.
Look, I did great. I beat myself again.
Yep.
Nightmare Joker says, is that Chael on a Game Boy? Yes. Okay.
That's so funny that the next gym also has a move that lowers your speed.
Hang on. So I'm gonna try Warn. It attacked me.
It's so funny that you are so in tune with yourself in the game.
I'm doing the exact same thing every time.
This is kind of weird, actually.
Okay, I defeated myself, and I'm version 7 now. Do I get experience for defeating myself?
Yep. Every bug that you defeat, you get experience.
Okay, so I don't get experience for just like spamming attacks or spamming defenses.
No.
Okay.
Yeah.
Exudeo says, can I use exit on a flaky test? Only if you're using RSpec? Alright. Streamer
Yeah, that
Angel
should have been an
says,
RSpec move, like skip test.
it should just be like flaky tests against RSpec. RSpec's super effective.
Yeah.
Oh, do we have super effective moves?
Yeah, so the different gems are more effective or less effective against the different bugs based on their type. So the RSpec gem is more effective against testing type bugs like flaky test. The bullet, there's a bug in the wild that's like a N+1 query, and the bullet gem's super effective against that.
Oh.
So yeah, there are some specific things like that.
Fun. Can I collect all of the starter gems?
Unfortunately, no.
No.
You have 3 game save slots, so you could play through with each one.
And see which one is like the easier one, maybe.
Right.
Also, Exudeo says Claude approved of that fix. Just the exit on the test. Okay.
There are some AI references later in the game in the park, so
Okay, we'll have to look out for some vibe coding.
yeah.
Streamer Rachel says, wow, your debugging skills are great. Have you tried contributing to open source? These are pretty legit. That sounds very much like me. Let's see. Exudeo says bundle audit is effective against supply chains. First friend Andy. I love that. That's Andy Kroll, it must be. Everyone
Yep.
was new once. Let's see what you've learned. All right. Oh, I didn't heal again. That's okay. It's just gonna take me back to the healer. This is just like, hang on. I'm gonna try this.
Ooh,
Okay, so
now
my
they're using a stat move for defense.
Oh,
That's a rough one.
that was a rough one. That could have
Yeah.
gone better. And you say I don't have to talk to the Cyclops.
Oh, yeah, you're fully
I'm
healed
healed. Okay, perfect.
now. Yeah.
Anakin Luke says rip. You know, I think biting that gem and getting teleported back to the heal was probably faster.
But that is a strategy move, you know? Like sometimes if you're really far away from a heal point, maybe you just want to lose your next battle and get back there.
Okay, so my defense dropped, but my speed increased.
Uh-huh.
It's using stat moves and I'm using stat moves.
Yep. But
Okay,
now
I'm gonna
your
attack
defense is
now.
probably really low, so... Oh, okay. It didn't do as much damage as I thought.
I have a
I
question.
thought he was gonna one hit you.
The speed situation. Does that affect how fast I'm able to run away?
No, I think it affects, like, sometimes if you have high speed, you can, like, move twice in a row. You can get 2 attacks twice in a row. And maybe it affects how accurate they are. I'm not 100% sure on that one.
Oh. Yes! I
Nice.
defeated
I
first
think you only
friend
had 2.
Andy!
Yep.
Nicely done. The community's better with you in it. Oh, I love that.
And he's gonna be upset that you beat him on the first one. He was really, when I first released the game, it was hard. It was harder than this, and a bunch of people complained about how hard it was. And so I lowered it a little bit, and Andy was a little upset that I nerfed his character.
Will probably be upset then that I was just like, boom, one shot, all attack, no trouble.
First try, beat him. He's not gonna be happy about that.
Yep. Okay, so Nightmare Jugger says in Pokemon you lose half your money if you do that. How about this game? And I think in this game you already spent all your money on the ticket, right?
Yeah. No, there used to, so when I first started making the game, I started out with the concept of you could buy more gems. But then I wanted you to get gems from people. So I completely did away with money and buying gems. So no more money. So technically there's no penalty for losing battles like there was in the original game. So yeah, take that as you will.
That makes sense.
A feature or a bug.
Yeah. And then Anakin Luke says, why is the external dependency a cloud with a cross? Yeah.
So coming up with images for all of these was a little difficult. And that one, a lot of the time I would just like type into AI, like, give me some ideas for an image for this bug. And it would give me some ideas. And sometimes they were good and sometimes they weren't. And that one was like, yeah, how do you have an external dependency? I think this one was like, you're having to go, access the cloud for some dependency, like, an API or something. But yeah, exactly.
Like, so you download them from the cloud, man.
Exactly.
All right, now here's Fart Winner Law. And here I thought Pokemon couldn't get more nerdy. And then they made it about Pokemon. And then they made it about programming. Stony Eagle says, if you win, do you get your ticketed money back as a price? And I think that's only if they defeat you in the game.
Oh, that would be interesting. That should have been an Easter egg. Yeah.
I was just gonna make that joke because I was like, you're not in the game.
I am in the game as an Easter egg. Like, I'm a hidden character.
We have to go find you and beat you.
But there's no battle. I just have a dialogue that's not even that fun. But I am hidden somewhere. I should have, yeah. If you find me in the game and you bought a ticket, maybe I'll give you half back.
Well, that's not gonna work because we're gonna find you in the stream, and then everybody's gonna be like, here's Travis.
Yeah. Obviously don't tell everybody if you find me, because then that's not fun.
Yeah.
But there's two hidden characters. One is me, and then another is a coworker of mine, David. And if you find him, he gives you a little bit of information on how you maybe could cheat, or he gives you a little bit of cheat code information if you find him. So yeah.
Okay, we'll have to go find both of y'all. All right, Nightmare Joker says no money, no heal items, no stat boosters, and no stores that sell them. Got it.
You just gotta level up. That's it.
Just gotta go for the grind. Nightmare Joker says
grind.
Pokegramming, so to speak. I like that one.
Oh, I like that, yeah.
Yeah. All right, and Exudio says Easter egg seals the deal for Blastoff Rails 2027. Come on, Southwest Ruby events. All right, let's do this. Speaker Ifat says AI can write tests in seconds, but it can't tell you which ones matter. Yet. Oh, hang on. I keep forgetting that I have to use the, thing. I didn't heal again. You know what? I think that's a good thing.
It's it. Honestly, yeah. It's not a big deal.
Yeah.
Maybe better.
Maybe I win again.
Maybe so. Bam!
It's looking good.
Twice.
Yes.
Talk about flaky.
I'm version 8.
And version 8.
Gems should heal when they level up.
So when you level up, your like hit points increase, and you get that difference when you level up. So you kind of heal a little bit.
You get a little baby boost. Okay. I'm gonna go for the throat. Yep.
Right in with the attack moves. This might
Going strong.
be. No, he's using the stab moves.
Yay!
I can't remember.
A slow test.
She's got 3. Another one where it's like
cute little turtle.
All right.
I'm doing great. Oh my gosh.
You might.
No. Hang on. I have a couple. No! I was
Took you down with
close.
a single core CPU. That was really close. I think you got it on the next try.
I think so too. Nightmare Joker says you update really fast. That's a real pain for the user.
Great point.
Thanks to Judeo. Slow tests. How does that turtle pack so many factory bots in that tiny shell? Oh.
Yep.
Okay, I think we've got this one. Okay. Let's go. Oh, so I'm fighting the same gems again.
Yeah, they have the same team.
Got it.
They have a set team of gems.
Okay, so I'm just gonna go.
They have bugs. You have gems.
They have bugs. I have gems. I'm just gonna go all in on the attack. No defense.
Yep.
I'm version 9 now.
Version 9.
Okay, hang on. Here we go. Slow test, use single core CPU.
You got it. You got
but
it.
I used Born.
Nice.
Ha!
Nice.
Oh! Ifat says, I think you have a good, a good understanding of clear, maintainable tests. So Ifat's talk at Blastoff Rails is going to be about writing good tests.
It is testing related, yep.
Okay. All right, here we go. Jason Sweat. I'm feeling a little blocked. Maybe a card review will loosen things up. Let's see. Tell me about this.
Context on that. When I reached out to people and said, hey, can I put you in my game? And if so, do you have any specific dialogue that you would like? Most people, 99% of the people were like, yeah, you can put me in the game. I can't think of any dialogue, just put whatever you want. Jason said, give me some dialogue about abdominal discomfort. And I was like, you got it. So that was a request from Jason. I don't know if the day that I asked him, maybe he was having some problems. I don't know the complete story on that, but he got what he wanted.
Oh no. He's real stopped up.
Yeah.
He's real stopped up, and it's starting to I don't know if what he's got is contagious or what, but like
It's blocking you a little bit.
Yeah, he's blocking me. Now I'm feeling blocked.
Let's see. So you're level 9 and he's got level 12 to start. We might maybe venture outside to see if you can train a little bit outside. Might be worth it at this point.
I'm gonna try and like, oh no, because it's like one attack.
Yeah, he can get you in 2 moves with that. Ooh, he missed. But it looks like it's gonna take you 3 moves to take him down unless you level up.
No!
And I think he has 3 gems. So there's a
Okay, so we're gonna go outside.
That's gotta happen here. Let's see what happens outside.
You step into the parking lot. Stray from the pathways and you might encounter wild bugs. Oh, hello. Search expert Jason! Have you heard? TypeSense passed 25,000 stars on GitHub this year. And of course, we are also sponsoring Blastoff Rails.
Yeah, that's Jason from TypeSense.
Yeah, we use
Shout
them
out
for
to
search
them.
on Ruby events too.
Oh, really? Nice. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's awesome.
They sponsor a ton of events.
Ton of events. Yeah.
Oh, so I can't fight Jason.
No. There's some that are some people in the game that are just regular people.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, musical dev volley. Terrible, chant the names of God. In between coding sessions, I like to play and sing kirtan to clear and refresh my mind.
Wally's another coworker of mine. Shout out to Wally.
So Wally gets to be some. How do you decide who gets to have Pokemon and who doesn't? Pokegems.
To be honest, it's just it kind of depended on like where I needed people in the map, because I kind of tried to like disperse people evenly through the map, but I didn't want to have too many battles that you had to get through, and yeah, I also didn't like. I only had so many bugs and stuff, so I didn't want to repeat a bunch of battles, so I just had some people that were battles and some that weren't.
That makes sense. Thank you for following, Casey Dragon. Welcome. Alright, let's see. Wally's first gem was like no issue for me, and I would like Wally to know that. But that second one was a little bit harder.
Yeah.
Alright, come on. Yes! See, that first gem, like
Ooh.
Nothing.
Yep, up to 10. You're level
Up to 10.
now. Center div is a weirdly powered. Oh, you might have him here.
Yeah!
Nice.
So center div is tough? That's what you told me?
Yeah, it has like a weirdly high defense actually, but yeah, dealt with it pretty shortly there. So I think with R spec, center divs are tough for some reason.
It is hard to do front-end testing with RSpec.
Exactly.
Musical Dev Wally says, shall we play a song? Okay, so this is your coworker.
Mm-hmm.
Like, is he often just like singing in the office? Like,
he has a ukulele that he brings into the office, and we'll play
and,
and
like,
sing.
Wait. So he'll bring the ukulele in the office and like play during lunch breaks?
Yeah.
Oh, that's really cool.
Yeah, he's awesome.
All right, solo dev Nadia. How many women does it take to make a dev team? The answer is 1. I like that.
Shout out to Nadia.
Oh, okay. I am very strong against pending migration.
Super effective. That one doesn't totally make sense, but yeah. I'm not actually sure why that would be.
Exudideo says, I have a coworker who plays the guitar in Zoom meetings to think. I feel like if somebody was playing guitar in a Zoom meeting, I would think better too. Like, I'm down for this idea. I want more of my coworkers to bring instruments to meetings, but preferably only one per meeting. Otherwise, I'm just imagining a Zoom meeting where like everybody's got their guitar out and they're playing, and it's just complete cacophony.
Yeah, I imagine it's hard to sync up, with any sort of delay. You get off the beat. Yeah.
Nightmare Joker says 1-person teams. Yeah, so Nadia Adenayo is the CEO of Storygraph, and she is a one-woman dev team.
Mm-hmm.
I think she has brought on like maybe 1 or 2 other people, but like all of the core app and everything was just her, and she got started completely on her own.
Mm-hmm. Yep. Yeah, go check out Storygraph. Go check out her talks she has some really good talks on or
Maybe
stories
others. I mean,
of her hunting down bugs and stuff. I think they were RailsConf talks, but yeah.
All right, and Exudio says, need an undead class mob for migrations. Ghost. I like that. Full type system. The cuts are so deep in this game. All right, let's see. So what will Brakeman do? I think Brakeman's just going to go for it and fight. I don't know what I'm going to do about this circular dependency, but I'm going to try. All right, here we go.
Ooh, he keeps doing the stat move.
No!
Stack overflow.
Brakeman crashed. Oh. Okay, I think we are ready to go fight Jason again.
You're level 10 now. Got a better chance.
Just too powerful fighting the other speakers. Got up there too fast. Alright, let's see if you'll stop blocking me. Alright, I'm gonna fight. I'll fight.
Oh, man.
Yes! 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 Yes!
I think if you had one more level, you'd be able to beat him in 2. There you go. Or in 11. I think next time you could beat him in two moves.
Yes. Phantom failure. Okay. Come on.
You can beat him. Yep.
No! Come on. No! That was so close. I need more than one gem.
Okay. So I have a tip for you for grinding. So if you go into the parking lot,
okay.
So fight these wild gems.
Okay.
Because they are, I think, in that area of the parking lot. Nice, one hit. So in that area of the parking lot, I think they're like levels 6 to 10 or 11 or something like that. So you can take them pretty easy. So you can rack up experience a little bit quicker.
Oh.
Yeah, one shot in. So you could get up like up into the higher levels, and maybe like a 12 or a 13, and then go hit Jason again.
Okay.
Yeah, because you're one-shotting all these guys.
Yeah, this is like easy. I'm gonna have to heal so that I can like get my attacks back, not even because I'm dying.
Yeah.
They're very like, they're everywhere.
Yeah, it's pretty, the like probabilities. I don't know, sometimes it's weird and then you just like, you don't hit one for a while, but probability is pretty high because you wanna make those areas scary. So the further out in the parking lot you get, the higher the levels as well. That one's level 6, but if you go a little more to the left,
I learned
you'll hit higher levels. Ooh, yeah, new move.
So what does scan do? Oh, and I've got 25 of those! Whoa!
So that's another attack move.
Extra says security always warns us about picking things up in parking lots. Well, I'm not keeping the N+1 query.
Right.
Let's see. Oh.
Ooh, he's not very effective against you, so you were able to take down a level 16.
Yeah.
That's pretty good.
Do I get more points for, like, fighting stronger gems? Or is it the same? Okay.
Nope, yeah, definitely more points for higher levels.
Ooh, I'm down.
Close.
Okay,
close.
I'm gonna do one more round of that, and then I'm gonna go fight Jason.
Yeah.
Okay. Ah, perfect. Okay. Yeah, okay.
Next.
So is scan weaker than the other attack?
I'm not sure. It shouldn't be.
Because Warren just took out a level 9 in 1.
Right.
And if we go in here and I fight and I do scan, this is a level 10. It didn't quite take it out.
Well, so he did also use a spec or a stat move that raised his defense.
Oh.
Right before you did that. So yeah, depends.
Alright, so this is level 8. I don't know, I'm feeling like my ward is stronger.
It might be. It very well may be. This is level 15, so hopefully maybe you'll get
Yeah, okay. So that was close, but like...
version. Yeah, it does seem a little weaker.
Mm-hmm. Ooh, 130.
Oh,
Yay!
There you go. There you
Version
go.
13. Alright, who's
I
this
feel
person?
like we're ready now. Oh!
Jeremy! It's you! And now Jeremy says, take a break from the gem mine and get up to the ridge line. Which is the slogan from Blue Ridge Ruby, the conference I just got back from. Alright. Jeremy wants a code review. Let's give him a code
right
review.
Off the bat.
Come on. Jeremy says, finally! Oh, Jeremy killed me. That's not very nice, Jeremy. That's not very nice. All I did was come up to give you a code review, and you knocked me, like, flat out, like, killed me. Sent my gems to the hospital.
In the parking lot.
Jeremy says, I never asked for code reviews in real life. Sorry. It's okay, I forgive you. I forgive you. I am gonna return the favor, though, and then I'll forgive you. I probably should be, like, not attacking random gems before I go fight Jeremy.
Yeah, save up your health. He's a tough one. You're not too bad. I feel like you're still. So if you get in the walkway, in the crosswalk there, then you won't hit wild bugs.
I'm also burning through all of my like good attacks. So the crosswalks are safe. Okay, here we go.
Crosswalks and sidewalks are safe.
Exodio says, in the age of AI code reviews, we're getting pushed to sync code reviews on Zoom. Good times. Should do code reviews like this. Okay, hang on. Here we go. Race condition. No!
Ooh, that was a
Oh, that
rough
was close. That was close. Okay, Jeremy, don't send out any more. A
Okay.
CSRF vulnerability? Am I good against those?
You have Breakman, so you should be good against those, right? Let's see.
I also have no health.
Yeah. Also a disadvantage.
Please.
Oh.
I didn't even get an attack out.
Yeah. Just because he went first. Yeah. And it's a little bit higher level than you, so it might take 2 moves to take him out, but you should be able to.
Jeremy, you're
I think
one
if you got
tough
lucky,
cookie.
if he used a stat move or something, I think you could take him out.
Yeah. Yeah!
14 now.
Alright, let's go beat Jeremy. Come on, come on, come on.
Got to.
Okay. Yeah.
That move. Good. We're good. Okay. We're still
yes!
alright.
We got the race condition. No! Yes!
Ooh,
Yes!
One shot at it.
One hit, Jeremy. Take that. Sorry, Jeremy. Sorry. Thank you.
Gotta
Sorry. I forgive you. Sorry, I one hit critted your gem, Jeremy. Okay, this is fun. I like this.
I had to do it.
Okay, who are you? Is this the Easter egg, David?
Nope. Different David.
I've been debugging production issues all day. Want to see what I found? Okay, so which David is this one?
This is David Hill.
Oh, David Hill!
Mhm.
David Hill. I'm not gonna crush you because I'm almost dead. There's a chance you'll crush me before I get... Oh, I got a hit in.
Ooh, and he missed.
David Hill, I crushed you! Your first Pokemon! But then you sent out a Corsair. Come on, stat block, stat block, stat block, stat block. Stat move, stat move, stat move. Stat move, stat move, stat move. No, no, no. Stat move, stat move, stat move. Stat move, stat move. No! I'm gonna come back for you, close. David Hill.
You only needed one more move.
I know. I know.
You can totally beat Jason now.
We can totally beat Jason now.
Yeah. Easy now. We've been in the parking lot now. This is easy stuff.
Yeah. We'll go help Jason out so that he can go to the bathroom.
Unblock him.
We'll help unblock him. Okay, now there's only a little bit left, so I can use my scan.
Mm-hmm.
I'm on version 15.
15 now.
Get a little baby heal.
Unstoppable.
Okay, come on. Come on, come on, come on. I'm so much stronger than you. Yes.
Oh, we got one more gym to get through. You got really unlucky.
Test pollution. Come on. No!
That was super unlucky. He didn't use a single stat move that whole time.
I feel like 5 seconds ago you told me I could definitely beat Jason now.
Yeah, I did say that. that was
I feel betrayed. The creator of this game told me I could defeat Jason, and I can't.
That usually never happens. They always use at least one
this
stat
is
move.
amazing. Huh? Wait, what?
They always use like at least one stat move. But
okay.
Jason was out for blood on that one.
It's like he wants to stay stopped up. I don't know.
Did he use a stat move there? Now you're doing good.
Come on.
Feel good. Feel good.
Come on.
Yep, stat move. You're good.
Yes.
You're good.
Okay. Test pollution.
Yep.
I'm out for blood. Going straight for that ward.
Right.
Hit him with the scan. Yes!
Yep.
Test pollution was squashed. Excellent. Your tests are green across the board. Excuse me, I need to make a run for the bathroom. Oh, that's funny. You got the test pass! Yay! And Melina says, this is amazing. And 1 in 1,000 is still could. Yeah, we're gonna have to be more cautious about making promises that can kick people's butts. Well, I'm not sure I want to kick Jason's right now. Maybe that's what it is.
What was it?
I said I'm not sure I want to kick Jason's butt right now.
Yeah.
Alright, let's see. Yeah!
I think you have two people left out here. You have David and Nadia. Or did you beat Nadia?
I can do it twice. I don't know if I did, so I can do it twice.
Oh, well, you can't beat after you beat somebody. They won't battle you anymore.
Oh, okay. So that's how we can tell whether or not I've beaten Nadia. Ah, I'm version 16 now.
Mm-hmm. Also, so if you see the at the top of the screen under the check out the conference button, there's links to bugs, people, and stats.
Oh.
So you can actually see. Oh, you haven't saved yet. You should save for sure.
I should save.
Yeah. If you hit M, I believe, because the menu. Save.
What does this mean, peaceful off?
So, because people were saying it was really hard, and then like I would add somebody to the game, and then they would go to play to like find themselves, and they couldn't make it to themselves, so they would give up. I have peaceful mode, so if you turn peaceful mode on, no one will fight you. But you can just go talk to people, and they'll still do their dialogue.
I like that. Okay. We'll keep that in mind, just in case this runs too long.
Yes, yeah. If you just want to go talk to people, you can turn peaceful mode on. I can't remember if peaceful mode also turns off the wild encounters. But yeah.
And Melanith says, so is Warn just silencing warnings or what?
Forget what that is in Breakman. I mean, some of these moves are...
Might be.
You have to give a little bit of... what is that term for, like, in books?
Artistic liberty.
Exactly, yeah.
Suspension of disbelief.
Based on reality, but loosely.
Mm-hmm. And Exegudeo goes, memory leak. A little bit, yeah. Oh, and Exegudeo says, I just assumed it was rails.logger.warn. The Breakman is a security thing, and it does raise warnings.
Yeah.
Honestly, I haven't used it that much. I probably should. I was starting to play around with it previously, but I ended up going with code QL instead.
Okay, yeah.
Alright, let's see. Well, this is going great.
Yeah. You have your first. You're technically only a quarter of the way through because you have your first one of 4 passes. Oh, okay. Try saving and then take a look at your stats. It'll tell you. Oh yeah, you saved. So now if you reload the stats page.
Oh, I can see how many battles, boarding passes, and trainers I've defeated.
Yep. And it shows everybody there.
Oh, and so the gym leaders are the people that I have to defeat.
Those are the ones you get the passes from.
Gotcha.
Yep.
Gotcha.
Yeah.
Let's see. And Melina says, versus N+1, I would think observability would be super effective, whereas run it again would be disadvantaged. I like these.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. So I have not defeated Nadia yet.
Yeah.
We gotta go fix that.
Got to. Now you're level 16. I don't think she has. I think she tops out at 15. Maybe we'll see. Here.
I'm 17 now.
17. Unstoppable. Parking lot is yours.
Yes. Yes. Super effective.
Yeah.
Exegudeo says, oh, dang, I just saw the talk titles. If that sounds awesome. Fewer tests, more confidence. Coffee before code. Coffee before code says, this is so many encounters.
Grinding right now.
Yeah. I don't mind, because I'm like, I might die before I make it over there to David.
and by the time you do make it, you're not going to have any HP left. You're not a fan of the walkways, which I admire and respect.
Well, I mean, I get to do this when I don't take the walkways.
Exactly. I think that was your first encounter with a sequel injection. It's fun.
Ooh.
Super effective, of course, because you're Breakman.
Because I'm Breakman.
Mm-hmm.
Melanoth asks, is V18 a Trojan diversion, which will empty your BTC wallet? I hope not. So I'm getting there real quick.
Yeah.
Man, I'm doing great.
That was lucky.
I don't think I can take David right now.
You're insane. 0 health left.
No!
You're like, what? Send it. We're gonna do it.
I only have 1 attack left. Hang on.
Stat move.
It was a stat move.
Now you're just
I have a
all you have
scan.
left is scan. Another stat move.
Yes!
Wow. Wow. Scores error should be good against this.
I'm Breakman. No!
Oh, they went first though. Yeah, I think the security bugs are usually faster. They always hit first.
So I gotta up my speed.
Or just spam attacks.
Just spam attacks. All right, let's go. Let's go actually beat Senior Dev David.
Right.
Next video goes, YOLO! Yeah, I'm ready. This is, like, I already was here and almost beat him.
Right.
Let's try this scan.
Alright. Doing good. Only got one hit on you. Ooh. Alright.
That was hard. That was painful.
That was a hard hit, yeah.
Yeah.
Stat move. Got him.
Okay. Yes, I'm
18.
version 18. And we defeated
Nice.
David!
Yep.
I'll tell David. I'd like to make an ode to your debugging skills.
Did you get that reference?
Yeah, because he did the Ode to RailsConf
Ode to
podcast.
Rails. Yep, yep.
I like this. It's like going up to all of my friends and attacking them with my gems. How many women does it take to make a 17? The answer is 1. Let's see. Okay. Let's go. Ha!
One shot.
One shot.
Don't know why that's a one shot, but it works. We're happy about it.
Come on. Oh, please. Oh, hang on.
Oh,
It's not very
got it.
effective.
you got it.
Come on, come on, come on. Yes! Wait, are there 3? No, I defeated Nadia.
Parking lot conquered.
Parking lot conquered. You seem well read. I think you might like Storygraph. Are there any Easter eggs we have missed?
Thus far, no.
Okay.
Not on these areas.
Perfect. Exudio says, Ode to Rails was such a talk. Let's see. And Melina says, pretty grim so far. I only debug native and hope and pray on the Wasm side. Oh no! Oh, and that's about how Wasm is right now. We've got a surprising number of, like, Wasm-related stuff happening in the community right now, at least. Stony Eagles' biggest Easter egg is you. That is true.
That is a fun Easter egg.
Alright, let's go over here. Where am I gonna go? All the gems are afraid of me. They're not attacking me. There we go. I'm trying to teleport to my heels.
Almost got to one shot that one.
Mm-hmm. As it should be. Ooh, almost got that one too. Ah, but Breakman crashed.
All right, level 18. I think you're well positioned for the next
To head out of the parking lot?
Yep.
Okay. Let's go. Welcome to Old Town. The oldest code in Albuquerque lives here. Alright, what do we have over here? Easter eggs? No Easter eggs. Easter eggs? No Easter eggs.
Now I'm
Hello?
actually like, okay, maybe I don't want you to find the Easter eggs on stream.
No, that's the whole point!
Because then everybody sees it, and then they don't have to find it.
Yes! Oh, it's Serena! The probability of meeting a cat on a tree in San Francisco is small, but never 0. Does this one have a backstory?
It was I think it was like a tweet or post of hers. It was really random. I was like, I'm just gonna use this because it's funny.
Okay, our first one out here. Ooh, they're stronger now, but it's a cross-site scripting vulnerability. So I am super effective.
One shot.
Yep.
Very nice.
Exudio says, the biggest Easter egg is the friends we made along the way.
I like that. I like that.
Honestly, though, I really am having just, like, so much fun being like, ah, this is this person, and this person, and this person.
Yeah.
All right, let's go for a scan. Oh, that looked like it was close.
We went a little bit slow on that.
Yeah.
Last bit.
Oh.
Level 23. No one hit, but
I think I'm gonna
got
go
it.
for a double ward here.
Man, he just went for the stat moves too.
Yep. Okay, no strikes over here. Oh, I almost crossed the street. Okay, course. Yep.
They like the stat moves.
Do my stats get like refreshed between fights?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Melanin says you need a status buff so you can force them to always use stat moves. Oh man, and there's not even Easter eggs over here.
Also, no crosswalk. I didn't think about that.
No!
Oh. Taken out by a Z index hell.
Nothing to be done about that one. Exudio says, how do you know everyone chill? Principal extrovert over here. I go to a lot of events now.
That's how it happens.
Yep. Well, how many events, like, do you go to a lot of events outside of this? Outside of the one that you're organizing?
I have in the last year. I usually try to go to 1 or 2 conferences a year. The last year I've been to a bunch, so.
It makes sense. Judo expert Adam. Look, it's not my fault you gave the kazoo to your kid. Kindly explain to me what judo scale has to do with kazoos.
RailsConf last summer, they were giving out kazoos. And they had a video, like a promotional video, before RailsConf. It was John and Adam, the two guys from Judo Scale, playing the kazoo. Go look it up if you haven't seen it, because it's a lot of fun.
I have not. That sounds fantastic. And
Yes.
judo expert Adam. Oh, sorry. Did you have a question about auto scaling?
And shout out to Judo Scale. They are a new sponsor that we added.
Ah, very fun.
Yes. They
Exudio
also
says-
sponsor a bunch of events.
Yeah, I'm not sure if I see them as often, but they're definitely pretty regular. Ixudo says, I've been going to all the ones in driving distance, except Sun City for reasons, so I went to RailsConf Phoenix years ago. And you're making
Yeah.
it to RubyConf and Blastoff this year.
Yeah.
Yeah. I guess it kind of depends on how Blastoff Rails goes, whether or not you do it again next year.
I'm almost sure I'm going to do it next year. It would have to go pretty poorly for me to not do it, I think.
Ah, that's exciting.
Yeah.
Exudit says both driving distance from Arizona. Okay. Phantom Glitch says, hey chill, just wanted to say hi. I'm going off to bed, but I'll see you next time. Thank you for dropping by. Bye, Phantom Glitch. Alright, let's see. I'm kind of like wandering around. Is there anything over here? Aw, man, these roads. Yes, but it's a course.
Yeah.
Ooh, that was nice. 186?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Getting up in the higher numbers.
Rails enthusiast Amanda! Have you heard of the Rails Foundation? Amanda is so delightful. Ah! I have a little heal dude! There's little heal dudes out here too! Is this my new heal dude? Like if I die, am I going back to this heal dude?
Always go back to the hotel.
Always go back to the hotel.
Yeah.
I guess I have to go back to the hotel to rest.
Yeah.
Okay, what is this?
So, tip, if you want to grind to get past the next level, this area is really nice because there's a road right next to the heal guy. So if you just like walk back and forth on the road right there, do a couple battles, go heal, go back to the road, walk back and forth, grind a little bit. Really, you can get a lot of experience quickly that way. And if you heal a lot, then you don't crash and go back to the hotel and have to walk all the way back. So that's nice too.
I like that.
Hot tip.
Yeah.
So this map specifically is probably I tried to make it the most like real life. So if you Google Old Town Albuquerque, you can see the little town square there, and it's pretty close to this this map specifically. So tried to make it geographically accurate. Crash.
That was such a good plan with the road.
Yeah.
Melina says, go play in traffic, he says. Alright, let's try this. Oh.
This is light stuff now.
Do my Pokegem stats increase? So like am I faster?
Yes, I think so. Yeah, but like definitely your HP increases, your attack increases, your defense increases every time you level up.
Ah, friendly Dev Adrian! Don't worry, I'll be friendly. Friendly Dev Adrian wants a code review. I actually am giving him a code review right
Really?
now for like a thing on Ruby events where we're trying to get the passports to auth with Ruby
Nice.
events. So when you check your passport in, it checks you in at the
Yeah.
event.
Yep. Well, when you go through his code, make sure there's no memory leaks,
Yeah.
just in case.
Push CX says, I feel like Brakeman is the thing that most keeps me from playing in traffic. Also,
Oh,
hey,
that's
Push
sweet.
CX! Alright, let's see. I'm gonna go. I'm gonna attack this. Let's go. Scan. Yes! Okay. Perfect.
Nice.
Oh, what? Missing assets? No!
Stat move.
Yes!
Got him.
I almost feel like we're hoping that they use a stat move.
Yeah. That's kind of the game, honestly.
Push CX says, I mean, like, in the sense that otherwise I would wander aimless into the street and be run over by SQL injection.
There you go. Yep.
Friendly Dev
Yeah.
Adrian says, that was a rush, thanks. Don't forget your Ruby passport and make sure to check out Avo. He's got a lot going on now that I think about it.
A lot.
All right, here we go. Open source Marco! It's Marco! Wait, he's not wearing black.
Yeah, you're right. I didn't think about that.
Open source Marco says, do you know what's possible in the Rails view layer? Only because of you. All right, let's see. So he's throwing out a memory leak.
We can handle that. We can handle that.
It's real close. Come on. Yes!
Got that.
A Corsair? No!
We got the Corsair. No problem. No problem. Stat move. Ah,
Come on,
was hoping for a one hit. Was really hoping that you could one hit the cores, but
Me too. Me too.
not quite.
Let's go find Marco and beat up Marco's gems. Melna says, all hail View Component and Hotwire. Normally, yes,
Yeah.
but not today. Oh, here's another gem. Okay. Kick your butt, center div. Man, those center divs, they are tough.
Yeah.
That took like a quarter of my health. Another one.
Another one.
I'm
You
never
got
gonna
this.
beat Marco at this rate. Come on.
You could go heal. You could go heal.
Oh, I'm level 21 now. Hang on. I'm gonna try and go fight like another couple of gems on my way to the healing.
Yep. Gotta get the experience.
Exodus says, wait, I missed center div last time. It's totally not centered. Well played, sir. Well played. Okay.
Ooh.
Scan. and it's squashed. Okay, I'm
If
actually
I were
gonna...
you, I would go heal. Yeah.
Okay.
Just to be safe.
All right, let's go kick Marco's butt. Okay.
Ooh. Ooh.
Oh, Speaker Andrew. The Ruby community isn't something you join. It's something you help create. So that's
Based
going
on
to be
whose
Andrew
talk?
Mason. What's this talk about? I
The Ruby
really...
community.
Huh?
The Ruby community.
The Ruby community. Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
Okay. Let's see how hard Andrew is to beat.
I feel like you're pretty leveled up. He's only in the teens.
I
Came here
feel
prepared.
like that test pollution kind of kicked me
Oof.
around.
Yeah.
Exodio says, Andrew, my fellow Arizona dev.
Ooh, he's got
Look at
3.
you. Okay.
You got this though.
Yes! No! Ah!
You got it. You
Come
got
on,
it.
come on, come on, come on, come on!
Nice. Nice.
Ha! I defeated Andrew. That's what the community is about. Keep contributing. Yay! But also, Andrew, that was rough. I need to go heal.
Yeah.
Okay.
He had the 3 bugs. Whenever they have 3, it's tough.
It's a rough fight.
Especially
Okay.
when you only have 1.
Now let's go this way. Ah! All these people are between me and Marco! Okay, Coder Drew says, so you think you know enough to be a Ruby engineer? Yeah, I do. I'm
You
gonna
know
get
that
you,
reference,
Drew.
right?
Yeah, coding the coding coders who code it? Or wait, are you talking about a different
Well, the
reference?
name is a reference to his podcast. The dialogue is a reference to his game show.
Oh. I don't think I've ever actually, like, because has it only happened at Rocky Mountain Ruby, or like...
I think he's done it there. He did it at Sin City, I believe, as well.
Sin City.
So yeah, if you haven't been to those, so yeah, so he does a bold move. Going straight
Look
for
at
it.
me, I'm doing great. It took me like, I had no issues stalking Drew back. All right, let's go. Come on.
Yeah, so he does a game show called So You Want to Be a Ruby Engineer, and he has these super obscure Ruby like trivia questions that are really good. It's it'll humble you.
I bet it, yeah. I'm sitting here and you're talking about like Ruby trivia and I'm like, that would be rough. Okay,
One-shotted that course.
Yeah, I'm ready. Yes.
Nice. He missed.
Yes!
That was 3. I think that was it. Yep.
Yay! You will need herb where you're going. Use it well. Aw, you got the open source pass. That says you got herb.
Yep.
Did I get herb?
Yep. Go to the menu. Go to the menu and look at your party.
Wait. Go to the menu. Okay. I have 2 gems! And one of them is herb. Oh, and it's a front-end gem. That's a new type. So if I'm fighting like a centered div and I bring out herb, is it gonna kick its butt?
Exactly.
Anakin Luke says, yay! Oh my gosh. Okay. What does promote mean?
So you could change the order.
Oh.
So promote just means put it first in your party.
Yeah, we're gonna put herb first. Okay,
Yeah.
so we beat Drew, we beat Andrew, we beat Adrian, we have now beat Marco, and we've stolen herb from him.
I mean,
Okay,
he gifted
speaker
it
stove.
to us.
He gifted it to us. He has given us a clone of herb. He's got like a whole bunch of them, and he's just like, here you go.
Yeah.
Okay, speaker stove. I don't think I know stove.
So Stephen McCone is he works at a power home. I believe this is his first conference talk.
Oh, that's exciting.
Yeah.
Good topic. AI is fast, but sustained investment in human growth still matters. It's herb! It's got the little herb logo. Wait, so the other one was the Brakeman logo?
Yeah.
Okay. And Exigideo says, congrats, Stove. Congrats, Stove. Herb and I are still gonna crush you. Oh, that's cool. Okay, so it's parse and format and lint.
Hmm?
Let me check something. Is this a stronger attack? Oh, maybe.
Yeah, I think so. Because it has the less moves as well. You can only use it 10 times.
Lint is an attack too.
Oh, was it?
Look,
Interesting.
lint is
yeah.
powerful.
I mean, Z-index, you're gonna front end. That's a front end bug, so you're gonna destroy it with the front end gem.
Stove says,
Yeah.
incredible debugging skills. You should be a mentor. Okay, I think Herb was looking a little peaky, so little wilted, could use some watering. Have I found everything this direction? Which of these is the most powerful
yes.
attack?
I believe
Lint?
so. Wow, yeah, crushing.
Wow.
Herb's powerful.
Herb is very powerful. Oh my gosh.
Center div, no chance.
No chance.
No chance.
I don't even need to heal. Like, as long as I've got Herb, I'm fine.
Yeah, it's crushing.
Okay. Yeah, no.
Easy. Light work. 21.
21.
Didn't one shot the N+1 query, but it's alright.
Almost did.
Yeah.
Cores
Man.
knocked it out.
Of course, no way. Level 25. Ah, yep.
Not even an issue.
There is a limit.
Oh, I forgot. Brinkman has not healed.
Oh, you got it. You got it. You got it.
Come on.
Oh. You moved twice.
I had 2 gems. Both
They're
my
both-
gems are healed now, right?
Yep.
Okay. Oh man.
Okay, so you have two passes.
I have 2 passes.
Yeah. 2 left. And you have 2 gems, you have 2 gems now. So that makes things a little easier.
I mean, yeah, Herb is crushing everything.
Yes.
Anakin Luke
Obviously,
says-
the levels are going to be higher in the park, but I think you might be able to take people in the park already.
I thought I fought the people in the park.
No, that's Old Town.
Oh.
Then there's a park next to the venue called Tigway Park,
Oh.
and that is another one of the maps. One of the areas. And that is where Nate Burkpeck is, the performance gym leader.
Got it. Let's see. Anakin Link says, I think now it's a good time to bring up. Have you seen the real Keychain Pokemon? It's called Klefki, and it's real. Hang on, I'm gonna be distracted for like 5 seconds. Klefki. And then, Vito, hello! Gotta catch 'em all. Gems?
Oh, that's funny.
Yes. I mean, yeah. It looks like it. Oh, hang on, what's this?
Is that a Google Easter egg?
Yes, it is.
Oh my gosh.
Yes, you
What?
can.
Oh, that's kind of cool. I didn't know about that. Wow. That's pretty cool.
Okay, so this way? No, not this way. Have I already met this person?
Yeah, that was Adam.
Okay.
Judo
Adam.
expert Adam.
Wait, hang on. Hi, Amanda. Okay. My gems are fully healed. The rocket. It awaits those with all 4 boarding passes.
So this area is
The final
essentially the parking lot outside the venue.
Oh,
So I wanted a rocket to be a part of this. Yeah, so I put it in the venue parking lot. So there's no area for the inside of the venue.
well, you can't get into the venue until the actual event.
There you go. Yeah,
The rocket is what takes you there.
yeah.
Vital says time to ship. Yes. All right, you enter To-Go Park. Watch out for performance bugs in the tall grass. Oh, there's all sorts of people. Okay. Hello, person. Futurist Scott. Code doesn't grow anymore. It accumulates. It's superhuman speed. Okay, so which Scott is this?
That's Scott Werner.
Ah, very fun. Noye and Rain, hello and welcome, Noye and Rain and friends. So I am joined here today with Travis Dockter, organizer of Blastoff Rails. Yay!
Hello.
welcome. And today we are playing game.blastoff.rails, aka Blastoff Rails, the game.
Game based on a conference and the Pokemon RPGs from the 90s.
Oh, Speaker Avi, let's go with AI. You won't even need to read the code. I don't know how I feel about that. Oh, wait. No Pokeball?
Oh, no.
No. Oh, and Noye and Rain, what were you up to on your channel? Okay. Active Agent Justin. An agent is just a controller with a persona. Nothing mystical. Hallucination? Alright, let's see how Herb handles a hallucination. Nightmare Joker says, which Scott is this? It is all the Scots. There are lots of Scots. Okay. Oh, we did pretty good.
Yeah, not bad.
A made-up method. Yes.
All right. Handled it.
Uh-oh. Ah, Herb is version 22.
Nice.
Noye and Rain says, Blastoff Rails organizers and gamers and Rachel, this looks fun. Thank you, it is. Okay, so a context overflow. So are all the ML bugs, like, it's just Justin that has them all?
I believe so, yeah.
I kind of like that. That's kind of funny.
Actually, there might be another one. But yeah, the people, there's like very specific people with AI related bugs.
Okay, retry logic keeps hallucinations out of production. I got Active Agent! I have
I'm
another
actually
gem!
surprised that you beat him first shot. That was unexpected.
Oh, this is cool. Okay. Okay, I'm in the tall grass. A wild race condition appeared. I'm gonna fight.
And wow, got lucky. Ooh.
Yes!
Used a stat move and then missed. Man, bad day for that race condition.
Okay, here's a circular dependency. Come on, you can do it, Herb. No!
Ooh.
Oh, let's bring out, since this is circular dependency, Breakman. Noye and Rain says stream was fun. It's day 1 out of 4 for a game jam where the goal is to make a Pac-Man-like game. Hope everything here is going well. Yeah, I would say so. This is a lot of fun.
Yeah.
I know you're not a Rubyist, but like for a Rubyist, all the people are real Rubyists, and like a lot of them are people that I know, and I'm excited to see them. And then like all the gems are ones that I know, so I'm thrilled. It's gone fantastic. Okay, let's go. It's not very effective. Yeah, because I'm Breakman. Yes. Okay.
Squashed.
Okay, let's go find this person. Speaker Nikki. What do you know about Apollo's guidance computer and the Therac 24 radiation therapy machine? What? Vital says, did I miss Serdy's interaction? We can do that one again.
Yep.
Because we're going to die pretty soon.
Yeah, at some point you'll walk by him again.
An infinite loop. Okay.
Level 29.
I'm going to warn. I'm gonna warn.
Oof.
Which
Hitting
there
with that.
killed a bunch of people? I don't know. I would love to know more about like what that talk is about. Okay. Come on, come on.
Nikki's talk?
Yes.
Yeah, I'm excited for that one.
Go, Active Agent!
Oof.
Active Agent has no resistance to infinite loops. You would think with the loop it would be doing better.
Yeah, well, yeah, kind of like, yeah, AI
Tool
in the
call.
loop, right?
No!
Oh, man.
I don't think, did he even attack? Or did
No,
I just
he
like
didn't.
die myself? Okay, Vitel.
Yeah. It's because we needed to do the Sirtis and
Yeah, we
interaction.
needed to see Sirtis. Yeah, that's what it is. Tropical Sirtis, if you've never debugged with a Capit in hand, you haven't seen Rails under the sun. Come to Tropical on Rails if you get the chance. Ah, love that. Yeah. And Exegete says, oh yeah, the Theric 24 had some weird software issues. Yeah, so like while we slowly make our way back, what do you know about Nikki's talk?
I haven't heard it yet.
So you're just going in blind, hoping for the best.
Yeah. I mean, I saw the description, which I think has to do with like building for power users. And people that use your software in unexpected ways.
Okay.
Which I love. I think it's going to be really good. It might be his first conference talk as well.
Oh.
Yeah.
I remember the name, because I remember that we kind of had to set it Ruby events, but maybe
Yeah.
there were one or two. We can go check. Oh no, hang on. All right, so let's see. We have Travis Dockter, organizer of Blastoff Rails. Then we have speakers. Nikki Sutherland. Yep, that's the first one. Spaceships,
Yeah.
radiation therapy, and power users.
Yeah.
Let's see. We build software that our users interact with daily, and it's only natural that over time they become really, really good at navigating those interfaces we've designed. This is great, except their skill makes them more prone to introducing unintended behavior to the system. We'll zoom in on a couple of notable interface designs from history: Apollo's guidance computer and the Therac 25 radiation therapy machine. We'll explore how to proactively keep power users in mind to increase efficiency and reduce frustration. Yeah, that one does sound
good.
interesting.
Yeah.
Oh wait, there we go. Yes. Excellent.
Herb just became your new leader.
Yeah.
Jim.
Well, look at it. It's amazing. It's literally killing everything. Vital says to beat No Method Error, you should get Bybug. Is Bybug in there?
No, I don't have it in there.
Okay.
I think you've gotten there are 3 besides your starter gem. There are 3 that you can get. All right,
There are
level
3.
23. So you've gotten 2 of the 3 that you can add to your party.
Excellent. Okay, I'm
Honestly, I
heal.
think you might be able to beat Nate already now with those 3 gems and the levels that you have.
Nightmare Joker says, chill knows Herb is just too powerful to ignore. We really
is
should get a
incredible.
clip of Herb dominating for Marco later. Let's see, Herb. N+1 queries. Herb parsed it.
Still smashes it.
Yep. And Ink Studio says no pry. Pry is the superpower I miss in other languages. I don't actually...
Yeah, it is a really
Go ahead.
classic gem.
Mint, super effective. I don't actually use pry anymore. I just like use binding.irb.
Yeah, it's built into Ruby now, right?
Yep.
Yeah. So you just put debugger, and it does it. That's true.
Speaker Kieran says every bug is data. Fix it once, prevent it forever. Alright, so let's look and deal with this one. Format it away. Aww.
Powerful. Still good.
Yeah.
Would you use a stat move? Rookie.
No. Herb is all attack.
Oh no, but Kieran, I think he got one attack, and nope, stat move. Wow, that was actually more effective than I thought.
Yes.
Still no chance though.
Lesson logged. Your system just got smarter.
So
right.
he is one of the speakers, and he is kind of one of the pioneers of compounding engineering, which is like using AI and then using AI to improve itself as you go. So. Oof.
No,
You're
Herb.
at 28. That was. Yeah.
Poor
zero.
baby.
Do you want me to tell you where the heals?
Yes.
Okay. In the
Oh, no, wait.
top
I thought-
left corner.
I actually thought you were gonna tell me where the where the Easter egg was.
Oh no. Can't do that.
Why not? But also, I think it's valuable for Breakman to get some experience too.
True. Yep. Gotta
Yeah.
level them up evenly.
Oh my gosh. I would never have found this guy.
He's out of the way.
I walked right past him.
Yeah.
Oh man. You really have to get like one of these little dudes like at the embassy, and then just everybody else will be confused about why there's like a Cyclops situation going on.
Right. Yep.
Hang on.
Okay, I think you only have 2 more people in the park, and then you're on to the final boss in Rocket.
Okay.
Oof. Level 29.
Oh yay. Okay, leveled up. Well, I'm looking for the Easter eggs. Oh, speaker data.
Right,
How
right.
fast are your dashboards? Oh, Herb. Okay, there
That's
we go.
funny. You I think you beat Justin, and you got active agent. I think it's level 23, right? I think it was higher than all the other gems that you had.
Vital says, is DHH the final boss?
He is indeed.
Yep.
Nice.
There we go.
Took out Neha. All right.
First
Only
try.
one left. Just going straight in. Man.
Ah, Nate Berkapek.
No heal.
Measure.
He never wants
Jump
to
guess.
heal.
That's the speed shop way. Let's see if your jumps can handle real performance bugs. That is true. I should probably have headed back to heal.
We're gonna find out.
Exegete says, aggregates talk time? Another fun talk. Okay, hang on. I mean, I am using Breakman, and I assume they're all performance ones. No, my attack missed.
Breakman security. If you had bullet, this would be no issue.
Ah, if I had bullet.
Mm-hmm.
I'm doing
Luckily,
good,
N+1
though.
3 isn't that effective against Brakeman, I guess.
I still have active
But-
agent.
Cash Stampede is pretty strong. Ooh, okay. Not effective.
It's real close. It's real
You
close.
better hope
It's
he
real
uses a stat
close.
move. Oh, he uses a stat move.
Yes!
That was wild.
We're not done yet. I still have active agent. Come
Only
on,
level
active
23,
agent.
I don't know.
Oh my god, active agent is the worst gem. Like, no disrespect to Justin, but Herb's out here killing it, and active agent's like, oh, you breathed on me. You breathed
Level
on
27
me.
versus level 23, to be fair.
Brakeman handled it. Active agent crashed.
Oh, it's a long walk back. If you'd had Herb, you would have made it. You would have beat him.
That's what I'm saying. If I had Herb would have crushed. No problem. Active agent was just like, oh no.
I'm gonna have to go back and power up. Baby. Oh. Yeah, you gotta get on the sidewalks. It's gonna take forever.
But I'm gonna be so strong afterwards.
These are all the little ones. I don't think you get much.
Look, I got 51 XP.
These are baby bugs now. Yeah, see, then sometimes you'll like walk a really long way without hitting anything.
I think it's based on the area, because like the parking lot was very, very, like, there were a ton of them.
Yeah, you hit a lot. One hit.
See? Herb keeps on tanking.
Now, I mean, now you're level 24 versus 18. And these are like some front end bugs, so you're really just...
Cross-site scripting is not a front-end bug.
They don't have any... I mean, it's JavaScript, you know?
Maybe. Okay, I can actually see that one. I've been going through, so we don't have Herb set up, but at work I'm just using like the VS Code plugin to like test and fix Herb errors.
Okay, yeah.
And it has found a couple like, hey, this will prevent cross-site scripting. Hey, your script should have the CSP nonce on it, all that sort of stuff.
Yeah.
Hang on. I barely need to do this because Herb is still
Yeah.
like all topped up.
He's pretty, yeah. Honestly.
Hang on, I'm gonna come through here and we're gonna see if Herb can just like one-shot Nate Berkopack. Here we
that
go.
would be pretty awesome. Oh man, that would have been a nice one shot.
Like it just
It's
crushed
a
it.
tank. Herb's a tank for sure.
Herb is a tank. Look at that. That's the cash stampede.
Missed. He missed.
It's because it's Herb. Look at that.
He might take out the whole
I
party.
told you Herb's gonna one-shot Nate Berkopack. Alright, let me try this format.
Man.
Look at that! And an upgrade. And an upgrade. What? Memory leak? Why are there
Ooh, he's got 4. I forgot he
He's
had
got
4.
4?
He's got 4.
No! Oh god! Please, Herb! Please! Yes!
Got him.
Herb defeated Nate
Wow.
Berkopack in one go. Active Agent was like, oh no, you breathed on me, I can't do this. Okay. Nightmare Joker says cross-site scripting is very front-end. Specifically, it is injecting code into the front end that interacts with the back end to bypass cores and refer checks the near URL parameter.
Yeah, yeah.
I acknowledge that Herb is really good at catching cross-site scripting issues. I was thinking that it fit into security. It turns out Herb is just super effective against both.
Yeah. Yeah, I don't know if Herb really prevents cross-site scripting. That was like a front-end security. It's double type there.
Double type there. Nate Bergpix is fast and efficient. That is how Herb took me down. You've earned the performance pass. I prefer to take Proposite with me when tackling particularly nasty and +1s. You got the performance pass!
So I actually,
Proposite!
I had never heard of Proposite until I messaged Nate Bergbeck. I was like, hey, can I put you in this game? I don't really know Nate that well, but he messaged me back, and I think I sent him like an example. I was like, hey, I want to put you in the game. This is like your thing, and I want you to like give a gem. And he was like, oh, I think I sent him a screenshot of Bullet fighting a performance bug. And he was like, oh, I actually use Proposite. And I was like, oh, okay, I'm gonna have that as your gem that you give whenever he beats you.
Perfect. Exegete says Herb is OP Esports IMBA. Okay, so wait. Do I have all my passes? Hang on. Let me go to my stats.
You have 3. And you have 4 gems.
Oh, do I have to save it again?
Oh, yeah.
Hang on. Okay, good. Now if I refresh this, yeah.
Super close.
I have to go find Angry Walt. And then I'm done.
So, Angry Walt does not exist until you finish the game.
Oh, okay.
I'll just let you know that so that you're not wandering around for a long time.
Yeah.
So, yeah. Just
Look,
a
I don't
tank.
even have to, like... I was gonna
0
go heal.
HP left. Just one-shotting. It had to come to an end.
Poor Herb. Is that Proposite?
That's what I think it looks like.
Okay.
The actual, is it like, I think it's a mineral? Or I don't know if it's maybe it is a gem? Actually,
It sounds like one.
Yeah. All right.
You've made it to the launch pad, but the rocket only has room for Rails developers. Gatekeeping, lovely. Let's see if your gems can handle the nastiest bugs. Alright, DHH wants a code review. Well, Herb's done this before. What will Herb do? I think Herb will go in and Herb will format. Looking good. Let's see, we're gonna go for a parse. Uh-huh.
Oof.
Ooh. Ooh. Ooh,
Close.
man.
Close.
DHH versus Herb.
Okay.
That's a tough matchup.
Z-Index, he should be good against Z-Index.
Boom.
Nice.
One shot. Super effective.
Nice.
That's a 32. Yep. That's a 32.
Yeah. He one-shot at a 32.
Yep. Okay,
Don't know
race
about
condition.
Race condition.
Go. Looking
Use
good.
a stat move.
I
Rookie
think
mistake.
Curse might be the start. No!
No.
Oh! Good thing I got Proposite.
Oh, Proposite though. Proposite should take him out.
Yeah.
Race condition.
Yeah. Come on.
Or no, maybe that's not
Yes!
it, but it works.
Okay.
Sequel injection.
Okay.
You could switch to Brakeman here. If you wanted.
I could.
Good.
I could also let Proposite fight.
He used Bobby Tables on you.
XKCD reference. Very nice.
Taken out by a Bobby Tables.
Man, Bobby Tables is just having like a real...
Can't remember. Oof.
Come on. Wow, okay, that was rough. Alright, but
Can't
we
remember
beat
if he has
sequel
nope.
injection.
That was it.
One shot.
That was it.
We one shot at DHH.
Yep.
You got the captain's pass. You have all 4 boarding passes. The rocket is ready. Welcome aboard, developer. 3, 2, 1. Blastoff!
Blast.
Congratulations, you've completed Blastoff Rails, the game. Yay! Now we're off to Albuquerque, New Mexico. Aww. Lion Rain says Blastoff!
I will tell you, you got really close to finding one of the hidden characters.
I did?
Yeah. You walked into him and then...
No!
Walking.
What?
But, yeah, the other one you didn't... I don't think you got close to them.
You know I'm gonna go back and try and 100% this. Like, you can drop off, you can go to bed. I'm going to 100% this game.
Well, in order to 100% it, you have to be Angry Walt, who I think starts at like level 50.
I'm ready. I'm ready for Angry Walt.
I gotta go eat dinner though.
I know, have fun. Do you have any clues for me? You said I got really, really close.
So I'll tell you that the Angry Walt's not really hidden. Angry Walt is in the rocket area, and my hidden character is also in the rocket area. And the other, David's hidden character, is in Old Town.
Okay, so I need to search Old Town and the rocket area. Can I re-enter? Yeah, I can re-enter here. That's what I expected. All right. Thank you so much for joining us. Does anybody have any last minute questions? How much is Blastoff Rails? When does early tickets end?
Oh, early tickets ended a while ago, but as far as conferences go, I think it's relatively cheap. I think the regular tickets right now are $299.
Okay, $299, Albuquerque, New Mexico, Blastoff Rails. What are the dates?
June 11th and 12th.
June 11th and 12th. Exudideo says, thanks Travis, and thanks for organizing. And Exudideo says, looking forward to the comp. And PushCX says, that was super cute. I love this game.
Awesome. Yeah, thank you so much for playing, and glad you liked it. It was a lot of fun to make.
Bye. It's really cool. You did a really good job.
Thank you so much.
All right. Bye, Travis.
See ya.
Okay. Now we're gonna turn off Travis's little orange guest webcam. Take my face. Whoop. Yay! I'm taller now. Hi. Anakin Luke says bye. I completely agree. I think we should go and 100% this game. We're gonna wander around here and we're gonna go find Angry Walt. Oh, that wasn't hard. Angry Walt. I am the one who knocks. Angry Walt wants a code review. I did not heal. I did not heal. Well, we have to go through Old Town to go find David anyway. Stony Eagle says this is a very cute game with all the programming references. Yes! Exodus says, wait, it's Walter White. Oh my god. Okay, I'm gonna warn. I think you're right. Kalik says knock knock. Okay. Ooh! No! Okay, Active Agent, this is your chance. You have a little hat and sunglasses. Active Agent! I swear to God, Active Agent, if you so much as sneeze on it, is just gone. Dead. Out of there. Nightmare Joker says, like a B-50 Heisenberg. Oh no! And Exodus says deep cut Albuquerque reference. It is. Okay, I'm gonna go fight. Herb, do your job. There you go, Herb. You just quash all of the bugs. Yes, excellent. Excellent. It's so good. And they're all attacks. They're all attacks. I feel like I don't feel like there's really any benefit to doing special moves at all. All right, let's see. Yeah, just squashed. I know he said they're baby bugs, but look how fast I can kill them. Okay, we'll go through here. Okay, we gotta look around here for David. And we leveled up. Perfect. Okay, let's look around. Look around. We got really close to finding David, apparently. I know how to look for people and Easter eggs. Okay, not there. Bryan Cranston is amazing in Breaking Bad. I didn't actually watch Breaking Bad. I have a hard time watching shows that are about, like, people ruining their lives. Okay, so definitely not over here. I wonder if it's something like you have to, like, go in the sewers. Like, let me try this. Because it's an Easter egg, right? Like, you're supposed to, like, kind of discover it. No. Sewers don't do anything. No luck there. Okay. I kind of wonder, can I jump in these? No. Is there anything here? No. How about this? Is this a door? No. I've definitely checked all of the walls. But he said that Secret David, our Easter egg David, his like random coworker, was out here somewhere. Nightmare Joker says, chill OMG, whenever you have some time for evening TV, go watch it. Life is already ruined. The man has cancer. I mean, but it kind of feels like he's ruining the lives of people around him too, and that kind of sucks. Yeah, we did that. What if one of these doors is openable? Herb has not even taken a hit. Push 6 is odd that SQL injection is a semicolon. SQL doesn't use semicolons. The injections are in quotes. Doesn't SQL end with semicolons though? Nope, that's not a door. Okay, hang on. What if there's like a secret way into here? Nope. How about here? Nope. This is where we came in. Nope. Anyone in here? Come on. Okay, so there's nothing there. I'm gonna try behind the trees. Hello? Anybody here? How about behind the house? We found him! But she access doesn't use it to deliver user data, I mean. Yeah, I do think a SQL injection. Oh no, because you do the 1 = 1 semicolon and you start the new SQL statement. But also it's Sneaky Dev David. Oh hey there. Did you know if you type debug in the DevTools console, you can do all sorts of tricksy things? In this one? Soul Skater says, yes, I love that I'm catching this. Oh, Joshua Winning, hello. Nightmare Joker says his brother. Oh, we're still talking. Okay, yeah, we're still talking about that. Hang on. Ooh. Okay, let me clear this out. Let me see this. Debug? Debug! You can heal party, add gem, save. Wait a second, I can add gem? I can add gem. I can get all the gems. Hang on. List gems. Wait, table party manager, party map. That doesn't look right. Oh, there we go. Okay, so these are my gems, but I want all of the gems. I want our spec. Can I just debug dot add gem ID I don't know what that looks like. I'm gonna try, I don't know. For maybe. 120. Uncut error. Cannot read properties of undefined. Reading name at new gem instance. Okay, what if I try like RSpec? No. Also didn't work. Soul Scanner says, hey friend, hey. Nightmare Trigger says, chill is cheating. Study Eagle says 4i equals 1. Okay, so the thing is that like these are the ones that we already have, but I want the starter gems. I want all of the gems. Let's see. Debug. Debug.list gems. Debug. Okay, delete save game state, heal party list gems, define getter, constructor, has own property, value of. Ooh, hang on. Oh, that was me trying that. I can add badge. Can add gem. Can heal my party. I like that one. Value of RSpec. Hang on. Inspect element. Console. This is the whole thing from the beginning, doesn't it? I just want to catch them all. Okay? I didn't actually play the Pokemon games, but like... Okay, damage tween done. Object. No! No! Ooh. Okay, idea. Here's my idea. I am going to save. Close. Close. I don't want to quit. I'm scared. I don't want to quit. Cause like, what if I... What if I lose them? And oh, it's closing the menu. It's closing the menu. The save data is saved. I have all of the boarding passes. I have won most of my battles. I have defeated all of the trainers except for Angry Walt. I still need to discover where Travis is. Oh, do I risk it? Exidideo says just hit mute and leave it open. Okay. Well, it keeps muting for me. It looks like it keeps muting for you too. Okay. New game here. Here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna inspect. I'm gonna open the console. Let's clear that all out. Let's close this. Welcome to Albuquerque. You're here for Blastoff Rails. Let's pick an avatar for you. Am I Trixie? I feel like I'm gonna use the little glasses one for the Trixie one. Okay, choose your first gem. RSpec. Where? What? No. Fine. I'm gonna debug dot list gems. Yes, I would like you to list the gems. The index is 0, the name is RSpec, the level is 5, the moves is this. So can I make this? Array 1. Okay. I'm gonna copy this. All I want is a gem. I just want a gem. I just want all of the gems. I just want to collect all of them. Okay. If I mess up my save doing this, I'm going to be heartbroken. I'm going to be heartbroken, but you'll get to see me for longer. Okay. Here we go. Add gem. And then it says gem ID, which is clearly not true. Close it? Maybe? No! Okay, let me try R spec, comma, 5 closing brace? No! Why won't it let me add the gems? Vital says, try incognito. Exegesis active support should be level 99. Oh, I really hope. So they played a game at Blue Ridge Ruby, and I really hope that, like, they do the recording for that, because it was so good. It was so funny. And there was you had to be there for it, but there was an active support joke that killed me. Stone Eagle says, usually streamers get scolded if they cheat in their games. How are we all encouraging this? Because we want it to work. Reading name. Gem instance. Okay, what is gem instance? Oh, that's right. All the code's here. I could just read it. Yeah. Okay, gem instance. Gem ID, level, gem data. Okay. Let me look at, where's debug? Where's this debug thing? Player, trainer, gem instance. Ugh. Okay, let me try. I don't want to spend forever on this. I just want all my gems. Create a bug instance. Deserialize. Serialize. Learn move. Check new move. Add XP. Full heal. Moves. Gem ID equals gem ID. Window game data gems. Okay, where is this? Take me to this. Where is this? Game data, game data, game data. Window.game data. Game data, 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 game data. Where is game? Maybe here? Maybe here? Maybe here? Gem equals new gem instance, gem ID, level, or 10. I'm going to make it 20. Okay. I need gem ID. Okay. Here's window game data. Gems, gem ID. Can I just call that in the console? Okay, hang on. Window dot game data. Yes. Yes! Oh, yay! Yay! What? It's all of them! Yo! There's so many more! There are so many more than he said there were. Look at all these gems! And there's no way to get them? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, there's Punt and Puma and Pry and... What? What? Okay. Okay. Window game data gems. Window game data. Is it like this? Gems? No. Gems? Gems? Yes. Excellent. Okay. And then I want 4 each. I can't do each. I can't do each. Vital says, I want to see his face breaking his game. Does anybody remember how to do a loop in JavaScript? How do I do a loop in JavaScript? 4. Okay. 4 each. 4 each. No. Do they have like an each? They have a map. They have a map. They don't have a map. What is this? I think there is a for each now. Okay. And are these objects or an array? These look like objects. These look like objects. For each. This is not helpful. This is not helpful. Array.for each, and then element console.log element. That would be helpful. Okay, gems are spec. Well, I don't want to have to do that. That's literally what I'm trying to avoid, because if I was going to do that, I would just go in here and be like, debug, add, gem. And then I would literally just like go through this list and be like active record. Active record, and we'll make that one like 30. Do I have any 30s? We'll make it like 20. We'll make it like 20. Perfect. And then we'll just add, let's see. Oh, they do have pry. They have pry. You were asking earlier about pry. They have pry. I should do this in order. Bcrypt. I already have Brakeman because that's what y'all voted for. Bcrypt. Excellent. They should have like a bundle install command that just goes in and does all of this. Stony Eagle says rapid and a .window.game data gems for each. That's what I was trying to do. And it was not working. I'm going to try your suggestion though, because I want it to work. I would like it to work very much. I'm going to throw a turbo in there. Turbo. Party is full. Party is full. What do you mean party is full? Party is not full. There's no such thing as a full party. Everybody's coming to the party. For each. Yeah, windows.gamedata.gems is not iterable. Okay, what is this like party is full thing? That's not happening. Party is full. No thank you. Let's try adding sidekick. Let's see. Da-na-na-na. Sidekick. Party is full. Well, where's the party limit? Object.keys, window.gamedev gems for each. Object.entries. I'm going to try this object.keys thing. Dot for each. I'm going to just do it quick. Gem. Arrow function. Ooh, I don't know. Console.log. Gem. Maybe. Close it. That worked. Okay, sweet. So then I want this, and that is the right one, to be all caps debug dot add gem comma 20. Party is full 17 times. That's fine. We're gonna change that really quick. Let's see. Where do I find my party limit? Debug. Maybe window? Yeah, let's look at window. Window dot game underscore data. Let's see. Gems, bugs, trainers, type chart, moves, gym leaders. That doesn't look like it. Party limit is found at approximately 3 margaritas. Oh man, I had like 1 last night and it knocked me flat out. Flat out. Okay, let me look at this. Sources. Where's your party manager? Yeah, party manager. You look like the one that's giving me trouble. Where are you, party manager? Yeah, there you are. Party manager, add gem, max party size. Where does max party size come from? Aha, is full, max party size. It doesn't say where max party size comes from. Where's max party size? Can I just set max party size? I can, right? Stone Eagle says, do you have a hoodie? I think it's time. So, he did not wear it. So I look really dumb in this orange turtleneck. But Travis has a, like construction equipment orange hoodie with the Blastoff Rails logo on it that he's been wearing to all the events he attends. Okay, here's this max party size. Where is max party size? Somebody who understands JavaScript, tell me where to find this max party size constant. Max party size. High-vis orange, I'm down. Absolutely. I actually took a picture. It is very much like, okay, hang on. Height, width, pixel art. None of this is max party size. I don't think I can just do max party size. I think I probably have to set it somewhere, right? Stats, badge ID, party manager. I would like everybody to come to the party. Everybody is invited. All of the gems are invited to the party. Can I just type? Oh, I can! Max party size equals 100. Assignment to constant variable. It's locally scoped to the instance. You have to hunt for the memory pointer. La la la. I want to set a constant. I want to set a constant in the debug console. Yeah, this thing. No. Why would I want to know? Okay. JavaScript. Yeah. JavaScript. Okay, this one. Stack Overflow. This is not meant to be redefined. I tried reassigning it like this. Obviously, it does not work. I've also tried to delete this. Currently, the workaround is using local overrides since live editing won't work. Quickly change a const. If you have a breakpoint before the code that uses the value you want to change, let it hit and then double-click on the value of the variable under the scope drawer and edit it. The value of the variable under the scope drawer and edit it. Let's see. Constant was added in Chrome 92. Separate REPL scripts. Let's see. I want all of the gems. I want all of the gems. I don't want to leave any of the gems behind. What if I have to pick? What is max party size? 6. It's only 6. Is that a Pokemon thing? I don't want to decide. Oh. Max party size. Can I redefine that? Sources. Where is this like search situation? Call stack, DOM breakpoints. If I can find the class instance in memory, you can override the method that does the validation since that is not a constant. Ooh, okay. So Nightmare Joker suggests window game data gems for each gem. Let my gems equals debug list gems. Let hash gem equals false. My gems for each my gem. If my gem gem.name hash gem equals true. If hash gem return. Else debug add gem gem ID. I mean, yes, but again. Oh, you did make a syntax error. Let's see if we can find it. Else debug. If I'm looking and I'm understanding this correctly, you needed a curly brace here. And then debug add gem, gem ID, unexpected token, parentheses. All right, so let's see. So we're going to do window game data gems for each, in parentheses, gem, into, this is my opening block, list gems, has gem false, my gems dot for each, opening paren, opening block, if my gems dot name has gems true. I don't think you need this. Unless, is this supposed to close the for each? That is supposed to close the for each. Well, then what's this for? If I have the gem, return. Else add the gem. Hang on. I made 2 errors. I forgot the level. What do you mean you forgot the level? Oh. Yeah. The level needs to be 20. But it's still got an unexpected syntax token. Has gem equals true. If my gem not name equals gem not name, then I want to say has gem equals true. And I'm setting has gem from that let to that const. Oh, hang on. It's the else again. I thought I fixed this. Oh, I did, and then I went up too far. Okay, hang on. There is this. And then this closes that. And then this closes that. No, it's still giving me this. Okay then, hang on. Open parentheses should be curly before debug at the end. Yep, got it, Stony Eagle. But again, this doesn't help me get past my main issue, which is the, like, has gem thing. The party manager. I might have to just tolerate the party manager. I do have more gems than I'm supposed to. Use Shift-Enter to format it. That was silly. I expected it to auto-format. Alright, let's see. We have gem, let... Yeah, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm just gonna go fight Walt. Because now I have more gems. Let's see. We're gonna fight. We're gonna parse. Yay! I mean, honestly, do I need more than... Do I need more than 6 herbs? That's what we should do for Marco. I want to see the face of the other gems. Well, I think you can just do that. Hang on. Let me see. No, I don't want to leave the page. Bugs. See, these are the bugs. Oh, that's true. They don't tell you how many gems there are. Oh, they just tell you who the people are in the stats. Okay. Okay. They don't tell you how many gems I have either. If I could figure out a way to get around it. Star Scald says, hey, Chill. Hey, Star Scald. Okay, let's take a look around here and see if we can find... Ah, no, not Angry Walt. That's fine. Angry Walt is not... What? No, not herb. Okay, let's go prophesy. Come on. I shouldn't be yelling. My kids are probably sleeping right now. What is this? Oh no. That Heisenbug is like real rough. Thankfully it has not actually, oh no, not attacked. Oh geez. Vital says, can you heal on battle? I can. I can. Yes, I can. Debug dot heal party.
Yes, party healed. Ah. Is it bad that I don't feel like I kind of want to cheat to collect all the gems, but I don't want to cheat to like defeat the Heisenbug? Angry Walt? Website crashed. Good news, Herb is back. No! No! Jeez, okay, Brakeman. Warn. Jeez, okay. Active agent? Come on, agent. This is your first chance. Come on, active agent. That did nothing! That did nothing. That did nothing. That did nothing. Okay, let's try active record. Oh, active record's just like a little blue act. Oh, okay. Hang on. Inspect element. Console. Let's get in here real quick and we'll just debug heal party. Okay, party healed. Yay! Oh, that was real rough. Okay, go be crept. Exudio says, I got you, chill. Party manager dot party equals object dot values game data dot gem. Ooh, 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 ooh. Star Scout says, I will not be part of this chicanerous cheating. I am out. It was suggested in the game to do this cheating, by the way. One of the characters is like hiding behind a thing and is like, did you know if you use the debug console? Okay, okay, okay. If this works, if I have collected all of the gems. Okay, hang on. Fight. What is this? Oh, oh. The methods are too long. No, I didn't get them all. I still only have the same ones. Oh, save manager failed though. Oh no, it died. Okay, hang on. Let me see. Try it again. Party manager dot party equals object dot values game data dot gems. This looks like it worked. But then if I go in here to debug dot list gems. Cannot read property of undefined. That's promising. That's promising. I am gonna heal party though. Strangely, this part still works. This part does not work. This is a little dangerous. Strangely, this part does. Oh, BCR is stuck. Come on, Herb. You can do it, Herb. Lint. Format. Yes. Format. We did it! Yay! Stony Eagle says, okay, you little cheater, it's really time for me to call the day over. I'm exhausted. See you soon. Good night. Good night! I'm so happy. Okay, I know we totally cheated, but we defeated Angry Walt! Say my name. These references are all going over my head. Okay, but now... Ha-ha! Found him! Yes, that's the last Easter egg. Organizer Travis says, oh hey, sorry, didn't see you there. Hope you are enjoying the game. Yay! Thank you all so much for joining me. This has been a blast. That is all of the Easter eggs, and we have found them all. Thank you so much for joining me today. Thank you so much for supporting the stream, to our new follower, KC Dragon, to our moderator, Exegete.io, keeping things friendly, for the raid, No Yane Rain. I hope you all have a very good rest of your day, and I hope you enjoyed the stream. I don't know what to do with you YouTube folks, because I don't know how to raid for you. But for those of you on Twitch, I will be sending you off to go hang out with Earth to the End. Ba, 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 ba. Who is also playing a game called Sea of Stars. Star Scald says, I've never seen your end credits scene. Very, very clever. It's brand new. I just adjusted it today. All right, Vital says, see ya. I'll be poking you on Discord. I'm sure you will. And thank you for all of your recent contributions on Ruby events. It was fun playing with y'all. Have a good time next time. Bye. Bye to you on YouTube. Yay. I'm going to stop